What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So look at it today was inspired by Carla. Her YouTube channel is Princess Bella, I think. If it's not, it will be in the description box down below. But y'all, she did this look and I did it as soon as I seen this look. Her makeup tutorials are freaking bomb, like literally. If you guys do want to stay watching this makeup look, just keep on watching. Now I'm going to the Take Me to Brazil palette. And I'm going to use this hot pink right here. And y'all know I'm using the number 7 brush. And I'm just building the color up on my eye. I'm going to go into the City Mini palette and use this shade right here. And I'm going to go into the Take Me to Brazil palette and I'm going to use this purple right here and put this right above the crease area. I'm going to blend out the edges, and the brush that I'm going in with is going to be the number 8 brush, and it's going to be a small little brush to blend these colors right together. And I'm blending out in circular motion, so just fade right in together. This is my favorite part because once you cut that crease, the line is looks so perfect. I'm gonna go into the Ultimate Artistry palette from BH Cosmetics, and I'm gonna take this really baby pink, which is right here. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to apply the glitter. Now I'm gonna mix a couple of glitters together. Apply the glue with my finger. Y'all, so I really forgot to do my wing before I applied the glitter, but we're gonna try and do this. I'm going to switch to the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. Y'all know this is my favorite concealer, LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee. Now I'm going to set my highlight with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Now I'm going to go into the Infallible Pressed Powder by L'Oreal, and I'm going to contour a little bit more. And this is also going to tone down this contour. Hey guys, so before I wipe up the powder under my eyes, I'm gonna go in with my neon pigment stack, and I'm gonna use that pink, and I'm gonna apply it and apply it to my waterline. I'm gonna spray my face. Now I'm going to highlight my face with the MAC Melon Pigment. Okay guys, so it stopped recording. Now I'm outlining my lips. I have like eyeshadow to go around my lips because whenever I use a lip liner, it just like gets everywhere and black is messy. All the black that I needed, I'm gonna fill in my lips with this NK lip liner in the shade Plum. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, definitely go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like this video, share, and I will see you guys in the next video.